Welcome to another Little Geeks Magic Box. Today's Magic Box is brought to you by Tech for Kids. Little Geeks, let's see what's in the box.
Magic.
Whoa!
Fash'ems.
We got Fash'ems, we got Fash'ems, we got Microlites and Squishy Pops. This is all the things that we want from Ninja Turtles and Finding Dory. Let's see what's in all these blind bags.
Open.
We've got a My Little Pony Microlite. Let's see the shine of the light. And we got Destiny from Finding Dory. We got this guy from, I think My Little Pony, I don't know.
And I don't have a squish guy, that guy.
I have Raphael. I have this guy from My Little Pony. And I got Bailey from Finding Dory. It's cool because you can stick it to the table or the wall. Watch. The Fash'ems and the Fash'ems are cool because you can squeeze them.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, baby. And they can stick together. But not a lot. That Raphael has water in him. They're in love.
They're in love.
You can find Fash'em and Squishy Pops at stores now. From Tech for Kids. Bang, bang. And thanks to Tech for Kids for sending us these great toys. Bang. Thanks for watching another Little Geeks video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. On Little Geeks for more toys and more fun. Please like our video and subscribe for our YouTube channel.